Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So today we are going to be talking about some great news about Hcmc. Okay, before the market opens tomorrow, I would just want to cover up Hcmc and MMAT on my channel today, so make sure to go check these videos out. But let's just stay and start with the Hcmc. So if you want to know what will be happening with Hcmc, I mean, these kind of news, good news that are like really positive for Hcmc, and just have a decent understanding of what the heck is going on at the moment with Hcmc, make sure to keep on watching till the end. And yeah, let's just keep on going with the trend. Also, I will be giving you the technical analysis too somewhere in the video, and let's just keep on going. And I will just ask you for like and subscribe. Oh, screw that. And I just keep on going. Okay, guys, so first of all, let's just go and see the good news, because I don't want to like hold you any longer here. Okay, so as you see, right guys, here we have Philip Morris USA halts US expansion of heat not burn traditional cigarettes. Okay, and what is this all about? This was on 29th of July, and right here, like, we are 1st of August. And let's just see what they said. They said that Philip Morris USA said Thursday it has paused further USA expansion of its heat non-burn traditional cigarettes following an unfavorable US through the International Trade Commission ruling Tuesday. The manufacturer and a subsidiary of a Altair group disclosed its decision as part of its second quarter financial report. In May, British American Tobacco received a primarily USA legal victory in its patent infringement lawsuit against the rival Philip Morris International. Okay, and they say and an administrative law judge at the commission issued an initial determination that Philip Morris's IQO's products marketed as Marlboro heat sticks infringe and patents owned by the BAT group. On Tuesday, the full commission chose to review the judge's finding and recognition, and so on and so on. So we can just go and watch the video right here, but we're just going to be continuing reading the article. Okay, according to the Philip Morris USA and findings and recommendations include a ban on the importing of the IQO's electronic devices, Marlboro heat sticks, and component parts into the United States, and on the sale of any such products previously imported into the United States. They say that the commission's what is that? The commission's final order is subject to review by the U.S. Trade Representative and federal courts that is expected in September. Due to this uncertainty, the Philip Morris USA has delayed further expansions of IQOs and Marlboro heat sticks. The company said neither BAT nor Reynolds American could be reached for immediate comment on the commission's ruling and Philip Morris's business decisions. Philip Morris International issued a statement that it welcomes the commission's decision to review the initial determination of the administrative law judge. We are in the middle of a long and multi-step legal process before ITC, and we are confident in the strength of our arguments. In the meantime, we will continue to rely on our exclusive USA distributor Altria, I don't know how to pronounce that, but to take all necessary steps to ensure the IQOs, the only electronic nicotine product authorized by the FDA as appropriate for the promotion of public health relative to continued cigarette smoking, is as successful in the US and it has been globally. BAT's heat not burn traditional cigarette brand Glow had a 38% year-over-year increase in revenue during the first half of 2021. The IQOS products debuted in test markets in Atlanta in October 2019, Richmond, VA in November 2019. During the second quarter, Philip Morris explained and retail distribution of Marlboro heat sticks into a trade and other metro areas of North Carolina. Okay, I know it is getting kind of long and stuff, but I just doubt you to stick with me through the end, because you know a lot of things about Hcmc, and here on this article is spread beautifully. Okay, So during the second quarter, Philip Morris has suspended retail distribution of Marlboro heat sticks into a trade in other metro areas of North Carolina as well as Virginia and Georgia. The expansion contributed to Marlboro heat sticks retail sales volume jumped by nearly 40%, including a reach of 0.8% market share for overall cigarettes in Atlanta, as well as 0.5% in Charlotte. At the end of the day, it is still a competitive race between the big companies, said Scott Ballin, the past chairman of the Anti-Smoking Alliance, Coalition of Science and Health. For me, Altria and Philip Morris's pause seems warranted given the legal issues at this time. They say that a patent infringement lawsuit was filed in April 2020 by 3 Reynolds business units focused on the technology involved in making heat non-burn traditional cigarettes. The groups are R.J. Reynolds Tobacco, RAI Strategic Holdings, and Ray J. Reynolds Vapor Co. The Reynolds affiliates are requesting a temporary and permanent injunction again in the important sale of distribution of Philip Morris's IQOS products, as well as enhanced damage, alleging defendants an infringement has been and continues to be deliberate, willful, and unlicensed. We will just scroll through this because we don't really actually need to read all this shit. So Philip Morris International said in May a statement that the ruling, we are right here, ruling is on the step in one step in loading processor that does not have an immediate effect, and we look forward to the next presenting our position to the commission itself. Also importantly, 2 of the Reynolds BAT patents at issue are currently being reviewed by the USA Patent and Trademark Office. He says on Friday, Philip Morris interestingly said, related to one of the Reynolds patent families, asserted the European Patent Office recently revoked its European counterpart. Even if we limit our view to the US, certain claims in both of the Reynolds patents are currently under review by the US Patent and Trademark Office, demonstrating the strength of our arguments. BAT has filed a similar complaint against Philip Morris PMI with the International Trade Commission sitting plans to sell Glow BAT's version of the heat non-burn in Germany beginning in 2020. Also, the IQOS components cited by the Reynolds affiliates are the product holder and a reachable and reusable power unit, disposable tobacco stick, and charger. So this can be a pretty detrimental and good news for HCMC if you stuck with me through when I was reading this. But let's just go right now, and I will be giving the technical analysis for HCMC and where are we at the moment. Okay, HCMC, the chart load right here. We are on the daily time frame, and as you can see, we had a beautiful gain right around here. Okay, so yesterday we saw a gain of right around 0.302 US dollars. We were up 23%, and right now we're sitting at a price of around 0.308. Okay, we will see what will be happening on Monday, which I absolutely think that we can when the market starts, I think that we're going to be having a wick to the upside, right, like we had a right here, and then we can just have a doji or something. But we will see what will be happening, because I think that a lot of people right now kind of know, and they did the research throughout the weekend if they should buy HCMC or stuff. But I think that the volume will be huge. Okay, and the last day of the week on Friday, the volume was not that was it? I cannot see from the earnings for this for earnings. Okay, so let's just calculate that. The volume was 1.7 billion, and the daily average was 2.5 billion, and the day before that was 1.3 billion. So actually it was better than the day before that, or on Thursday. And also on Wednesday right there we had a volume of right around 1.7 as well as on Friday. Okay, so we will see what will be happening with HCMC. I absolutely think so. This is a long run, okay, for the people who are trying to be oh my god, I just want the price to go to the break even so I can sell. Bro, a lot of the people are right now down, okay. I started making videos about HMC when it was right around here. We had a really like pretty beautiful run-ups right here, but then it's kind of started decreasing and all the good stuff. And on every single, like for example, I bought in right there when I was telling you guys, why don't you buy here, this was a very really good support and all the good stuff. But yeah, then it kind of went up and it came back down. I kind of bought at the same level right here and below the 0.0010 that it was right there. Then I bought even below that. I kind of bought it in right there too. But when I say that I bought, I don't mean with the millions and millions of shares. I have a pretty beautiful amount of HCMC shares, and I'm holding this, okay. And I'm holding this, and I absolutely think that this can like pretty much drop even more, but we will see what will be happening with it, okay. And this is about it for HCMC. So I hope that you can kind of understand what I was trying to say throughout this video about the news for Philip Morris, that they're like being really flamed right now. Also that HCMC is on a great path to the downside. No, I'm just kidding, it will go up eventually, but this is a long game, okay. Whenever it gets right here, although you just buy right there and forget about that this stock even exists, okay. You just forget about it, and hopefully in the future, in 5 months, in 5 years, you will come back right here and you can see that the same stock that was right around like 0.307 sitting a price for 10-15 cents, okay. So this is about it for today's video about HCMC. Let me know what are your thoughts, and guys, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.